Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to use the first conditional in English, the most common and popular conditional, and for that we are going to use the Bible as a tool. If you declare with your mouth Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. Romans 10:9-10. The most important thing we need to learn today is how to use the first conditional in a conversation. It's used to talk about things which might happen in the future. Of course, we can't know what will happen in the future, but this describes possible things which could easily come true. If you study hard, you will get good marks. If it rains, I won't go to the park. If I study today, I will go to the party tonight. If I have enough money, I'll buy some new shoes. One of the most important things we need to learn is how we can develop or create questions using the conditional. For example, what will happen if you don't use sunblock? Or who will you call if there is a fire? Or what will happen if you fail an exam? Learning these things, you will be able to think in English and to learn how to use this in a conversation in a real life. Finally, remember how we can formulate this first conditional using if plus present simple, will plus infinitive, like in this Bible verse we use for today's lesson. If you declare with your mouth Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from dead, you will be saved. Romans 10:9-10. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to improve and to learn English, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.